In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete log hours in Jira. Sometimes you or a teammate might log time on the wrong issue, or maybe you've duplicated a work log by mistake. Knowing how to clean that up keeps your reports accurate and avoids confusion later on. In this walkthrough, I'll take you step by step through the exact path to find and delete a work log entry on a Jira issue. First, start on your Jira board or project view. In this example, we're working from a Kanban-style project, but the process is very similar in most Jira software projects. Navigate to your Kanban space, where you see the list or board of issues. Make sure you're in the area that shows all work items for your project so you can easily find the issue that has the hours you want to remove. Next, locate the specific issue where the incorrect hours were logged. In the recording, this is done by clicking on an item in the list, but in your own project, this will be the issue whose work log you want to adjust. Click on that issue in the list view to bring up its details panel. From here, you'll usually see a side panel or a small pop-up with a quick view of the issue. We don't want to stay in the quick view. Instead, look for the option that opens the full details of the work item. In this flow, that's done by clicking on View Work Item. Go ahead and select that, and Jira will open the issue in its own full-page view. Once the issue page is open, look toward the middle or lower section where the activity or history is displayed. You may see tabs such as Comments, History, and so on. Click on the tab labeled All if it's not already selected. This ensures you can see every type of activity related to the issue. Within that area, switch to the Work Log section. This is where Jira lists each logged time entry for that issue, including who logged it, when, and how much time was recorded. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct entry, especially if there are multiple logs. Now, find the work log you want to remove. On the right-hand side of that log entry, you'll see the option to delete it. Click on Delete. Jira may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this work log. Once you confirm, the logged hours will be permanently removed from this issue and from your time reports. That's all you need to do to delete log hours in Jira while keeping your project data clean and accurate.